Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about something basic but very essential: having a bank account. Now, whether you're just starting out or you're someone that's been relying on cash up until this point, it's time to step up your financial game. So let's dive into why everyone should have a bank account, and then I'm going to walk you step by step on how you're going to open your first bank account or open your next bank account if you only have a savings account or anything along those lines. First off, why should you even have a bank account? It's not just about having a place to stash some cash. It's really about security, convenience, and you want to have the ability to manage your money effectively. Instead of carrying around cash that could get lost, stolen, or what have you, your money is going to be safe in a bank. Now, a lot of people may ask, well, how do I know my money's safe in the bank, so on and so forth? For most people, you are FDIC insured up to $250,000. So if you're just starting out, I highly doubt you're putting that much money in the bank, but your money is secure up until that amount. And so that is why you see people that maybe have over that amount, they have their money in different areas or in different banks so that their insured money is greater wherever they put their money. But for the basics and just starting out, know that your money is safe in a bank up to $250,000. Now, back to the benefits of having a bank account. With online banking, you're able to do things a lot more simpler than when you have cash. So instead of going to the store to get money orders, you can make your online payments right from your online banking. You can make your rent payments, your credit card payments, your car payments, whatever that may be. It's a lot simpler, and you're able to send money via person to person with a lot of these different apps out there, whether it be Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo. Having a bank account is going to make it a lot simpler for you to get access to money and also be able to pay bills and transfer money as well. Now, let's get into how you're going to open your first bank account, and it's a lot easier than you think. Step one is going to be choosing the right bank, right? Now, so what do I mean by the right bank? Well, there may be banks out there that maybe morally you don't, vibe with. Maybe there are some banks that, you feel that there's been scandals in the past and you just don't trust them. So you want to choose the right bank. And the biggest thing that you're going to look for is someone that does offer some type of free banking, right? So you want a simple banking account that offers free banking so that you're not paying a monthly charge just to have that account. Second thing, you're going to want to gather your documents. You're going to need a valid ID, your social security number, and card, and you're going to have some type of proof of address. This could be a utility bill, just something that proves that is your address. Most banks are going to require some type of initial deposit, but that usually is as low as $25. So it's nothing that is outrageous that will prevent you from opening your account today. Now, they've made this very simple and easy to do that you can even open your bank account online. However, if you are someone that would like to go into the branch, actually talk to someone, ask any questions that you may have about the account, you can always visit a local branch and they will let you know anything that you need to know about your account, which accounts are free, what's going to be the most advantageous for you, and just be a resource for you to answer any questions that you may have if this is your first bank account. However, if you're pretty savvy in this, or you already know that, hey, I just need a simple banking account, you can easily do it online at most banks. Step 4, you're going to fill out the application. You're just going to put your personal details and anything that they're asking about on the application so that you can apply for this bank account. They're going to ask if you're going to be the sole person on the bank account or if somebody else is going to be on the bank account. Now, caution. Those of you who may be in a relationship and it's not a marriage, or you're putting somebody else on this bank account, they do have full access to that account. So if a breakup was to happen or a feud was to happen and that person takes the money out of that account and they are on the account, legally they did not do anything wrong. So you do want to keep that in mind when you're opening this account, to make sure that maybe you're the only person on this account and you're the only one who has authorization to use this account. Step 5 is going to be to make your initial deposit. So like I said, that $25 is going to be most banks, $25, $50, something along those lines. But you can make your initial deposit of whatever it is that you're looking to put into the bank and have secure. Step 6 is you're going to be able to set up your online banking. And then if you do go into the branch, they can actually set it up for you right there and then. They'll give you, you'll pick a username out, you'll do a password, and then you can go ahead and set up your PIN number and all of those things. But if you do it online, I do believe it's pretty seamless and you can actually do it right there online. Get your username and password and start your online banking account. And step 7, now you're all set. You've set up your first bank account and it was pretty seamless. It shouldn't take any more than 30 minutes to do, even if you're going into a branch. And obviously that will depend on how many questions you have and the busyness of the branch probably, but it is very simple. So why is this important? Having a bank account isn't just about keeping up with the times, but it's also about having your money in a safe place and making your life a lot simpler. If you're still cashing payroll checks at the check cashing place, you're losing money. I remember when I used to work in a bank for part-time teller, and I would see people come in and they would pay significant amounts of money just to cash their check, when ultimately they could, if they had that account, they could deposit that check and those funds would be available in less than 24 hours. With a bank account, you can avoid these fees and actually gain access to tools that are going to help you manage your money effectively. So with that information, go ahead, start your bank account and start building your financial foundation the right way. Listen, y'all, I'll be back with some other videos that are going to tell you, hey, what bank accounts do you get a bonus for? What banks I would bank with if I was just starting out today, and give you a little bit more insight on this whole banking process. Well, that's all for today, y'all. If you found this video helpful, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I talk about financial literacy, but also I do want to give you guys inspiration and motivation to change your life, not just financially, but spiritually, mentally, and just be a better person every single day. We're striving on this channel to be better people, to push the limits, to get out of our comfort zone. And that is the message that I want to give to you guys today. So remember, the future I see is up to me. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care.